SpaceX just bought an AI startup for $60 billion. That move alone shifted the entire tech sector before Kevin Warsh even spoke. Wednesday, June 17, 2026. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Today's agenda: the Fed moment, market snapshot, global politics watch, commodities and crypto, SpaceX and tech. Up next, market snapshot. Kevin Warsh steps up to the podium at 2 p.m. Eastern today for his highly anticipated first press conference as Federal Reserve Chairman. The market has already moved significantly before he opens his mouth, because investors are watching every word closely, fearing any hint of policy shifts. Futures in Asia point toward a third straight losing day, tracking that same Wall Street rotation out of technology into value stocks ahead of this major event. CME FedWatch puts the odds of holding rates at roughly 97% today, so the number itself isn't the main story for us all. With markets split like this, let us examine what is driving the global political tension right now. Tuesday's close was a split decision. The Dow notched a fresh record, up 0.74%, while the S&P 500 slipped 0.4% and the Nasdaq dropped 0.81%. All three dragged lower as tech and chip stocks pulled back steeply into the afternoon. Gold is trading around $4,350 today, holding most of its recent gains despite high rates still in play. Crude oil continues to slide near mid-70s, while Bitcoin trades at $65,800. This tension directly impacts energy prices, so let us now look at how commodities are reacting to these headlines today. The US-Iran ceasefire appears stable, yet tensions surfaced overnight at the G7 summit in France. President Trump publicly parted ways with Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu, criticizing recent strikes on Beirut as excessive and urging greater responsibility for Lebanon's stability. Additionally, he suggested Syria should assume primary responsibility for containing Hezbollah rather than Israel acting directly. This diplomatic friction introduces uncertainty that could affect energy markets if the agreement falters before Friday. The situation remains delicate as global leaders navigate these shifting alliances. Market participants are closely watching developments to assess potential risks to regional security and supply chains ahead of this weekend's deadline. That brings us to SpaceX and tech. Gold is trading around $4,350, holding most of its recent gains as the Fed decision keeps real rate expectations in focus. Crude oil continues to slide near mid-70s, extending the post-deal decline, while markets price in restored Strait of Hormuz flows. This is happening in real time, and it shows just how sensitive energy prices are right now. With all these pieces in place, let us now summarize what matters most for your portfolio moving forward today and beyond this week ahead. The company confirmed Tuesday it is acquiring AI coding startup Cursor for $60 billion in an all-stock deal, exercising options secured back in April, and folding into the AI division built around XAI as Musk races to catch up with rivals in coding tools. The stock responded by closing up 4.83% at $201.80, pushing its market cap to $2.65 trillion. Overall mood remains cautiously optimistic, but jumpy, with money rotating out of expensive tech and into safer ground ahead of major Fed decision at 2 p.m. Eastern today. The single biggest risk to broader rally is Trump-Netanyahu rift over Lebanon. If that boils over before Friday's signing, entire de-escalation trade could reverse quickly within hours, as we saw earlier this week, when tensions spiked briefly last Tuesday alone. Thanks for watching Market Pulse Daily.